So hi, this is Zifan representing Iconic Cars, and now today we are going to talk about Ssang Yong Koranda, a diesel Jeep, origin from Korea, South Korea, and actually assembled in Sri Lanka. So we call it locally built. Agent, the agent is micro. Yeah, let's get into this. This is 2000 model, 2-liter diesel, all-wheel drive, a perfect SUV. Yeah, so I'll take you around the exterior look, and I will show you. And if there's any damages, I'll go through that also. So you see the wing mirror, retractable, fog light is there, low wheel. So let's see what the size of the wheel. It is 18 inches. It's 18 inches rim size 18 inches. Yep, there is a hood railing. Tires conditions are good enough. Yeah, you can see this. These are rear tire. Front tire 50% bag. This is the rear look. It says Ssang Yong Koranda D20T AWD is all-wheel drive. So it's a dual silencer. Okay. I'll check whether there is any damages in the vehicle. There's a small scratch here. Yeah, and there's a small dent. Those are normal. And you see some original sun visor. There's small damage here. We haven't replaced that because we want to keep it as original. So reverse sensor, you can see the reverse sensors. Because the vehicle don't have a reverse camera, so it has a reverse sensor. I feel, my personal opinion is the reverse sensor is more effective than camera. This side I can't see any dents or scratches or whatever. Oh, there is a small minor dent. Yeah, it looks good. There's nothing wrong with the bonnet. Small scratches, minor stuff. Those are usual for a used vehicle. And the roof. It has a sunroof. Original windscreen. Okay, fine. Let's get into the interior. This is the interior. This is the remote. This is for the retract mirror, sharper shutters. This is a four-wheel drive lock, differential lock, fog light switch. It's not fog light. This is a rear light, and the electric seat working perfectly. There is a small damage here. Since it's a driving seat, it's normal. You can see small few cracks. Okay, let's get into the vehicle. See. Okay, I'm gonna start the vehicle. It has done 93,207 kilometers. Right. It's multifunction. This is also stereo control, and this is how you use Triptronic gears. Minus. You see the cruise control. Switch on the AC. Let's check this sunroof. Yeah, it's working perfectly. No corrosions, no leak. All good. Okay. So this. You see, this vehicle has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then 8. Right, let me get down. 9, 10. Yeah, 10 airbags. That's fair enough for SUV. You get seat heaters. Probably useless for our country. Sri Lanka, you don't need seat heaters. Let's get into the rear seat. Now it looks. Rear seats looks perfect. No damages, nothing. All good. Let's open up the boot. See if there's any damages. All good. No damages. The tire also looks good. All the accessories are there. Let's close this. I'll show you the space you can get when you fold the seats. See the space, it's really good. It flattens, the rear seat flattens exactly 180 degrees, so you can put your baggages, and if you're on a trip, you can put your baggages and your stuff. So this is it. This is the interior. Let's close the boot. I'm not sure of this feature. I think you can open it from here, the middle. I think so. Okay, let's get into the engine room. Can you hear the noise? It's because it's a diesel engine. And by the way, I forgot to mention that it's a turbo, the diesel turbo engine. See, there is no damages, all perfect. All looks good. This is the chassis. Yeah, this is the third unit. Yeah, fine, that's it. This is Koranda 2-liter diesel 2012 version, turbo engine, all-wheel drive version, and a good SUV for a reasonable price. Call us. I'll mention my number. Visit our showroom. It's Iconic Cars, situated in Kalubowila, number 33, S.Jayasinghe, Kalubowila. See you. If you need any clarification, please call us. Definitely we'll assist you. Thank you. Bye bye.